Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making some resin shakers. I recently ordered some real shaker molds and they just arrived. Let's take a look. The first one here is a little drink shaker. It has little fox ears. Next one here is a little paw print. This one is a little popsicle. It has a little bite taken out of it. Here is a little star key. And this one is a little vending machine with little cat ears. This next one is a cat ears claw machine. And then I have some simple ones. Here's a crescent moon, a teddy bear, and a star. Here I have my alcohol inks, and I also have my glitters and little confettis and other add-ins. Let's get started. So I actually don't know how much resin I'm going to need, so what I'm going to do is just pour about 2/3 of a cup here. We'll need to mix it well until the solution turns clear. Then we'll add the colors. I'm doing yellow, blue, pink, and purple. We'll add some white to lighten the colors. Now let's pour the resin into the molds. For these molds, we're going to be using multiple colors. The star key will be pink and blue. We're going to leave the middle empty for now. The cat vending machine will be purple and pink. The claw machine will be blue, yellow, and pink. For the next set, let's mix black stars into the purple, and we'll pour it into the moon mold. We'll mix glitter into the blue and pour it into the bear mold. Now we're going to mix the yellow with the pink in the star mold. For the popsicle mold, we'll mix some sprinkles into clear resin. Now for the cat cup. We'll use a mix of red and white sprinkles into the clear resin. Finally, for the paw, we'll start by mixing a little bit of black resin and fill in the paw prints. Then we'll fill in the outside with green resin and leave the middle empty. It's been about 4 hours and the resin has mostly set. We're going back to the key and paw print and add a layer of clear resin to fill in the empty spaces. Alright everyone, so it's been a day. Let's go ahead and demold. I am super excited. So let's start with this moon one. Look how sparkly it is. Here it is, looking really shiny. I love these stars. Here's the bear. Ooh, I like this one too. Here's the star with 2 colors. Here it is. And I didn't realize these shakers have a little channel for you to add the liquid. Okay, here is the little vending machine. Oh, looks so nice. Here is the claw machine. And this one came out really good too. Here is the little cat cup. Oh, look at this. Here is the popsicle with the sprinkles. Oh, there it is. That's weird. I'm not sure why it became so stuck here. Otherwise, the rest of it looks really good. Here's the key. This key looks really nice. Oh, I like the colors of the key. There's a little bit of purple here. And finally, the paw print. Here it is. Now we need to cover the shaker space. Taking a piece of shaker film, we'll put it over the mold and trace the shape of the shaker space. We'll need to make sure it's a bit larger to cover the entire space. Then we're going to cut it out. Now for the fun part, we're going to fill up the shakers. We're going to add something different for each shaker. Once the shakers are filled, we're going to use UV resin to glue the shaker film on. We're going to spread UV resin all the way around the mold and place the film on top. Then we're using UV lamp to seal the film. These shakers are looking really good. Once the film is on, we'll use a syringe to add liquid into the mold. I'm using a mix of water and glycerin for the liquid. Glycerin helps slow down the flow of the shaker materials because it's pretty thick. Once the liquid is in, we'll add a small dab of UV resin to seal the hole. However, you can still see a little bit of that shaker film. So to cover it up, we're going to add one final layer of clear resin on top. We need to be careful adding the resin. We want to add the resin all the way to the edges of the mold, however, we do not want it to overflow. I'm using a craft stick to help push the resin to the edges. Then we'll have to wait a day for the resin to set. Alright everyone, so the resin has set, and let's take a look at our shakers. So here is the crescent moon one. As you can see, adding that layer of resin on top completely covers the little shaker film. So now it's so shiny and glossy. And of course everything in there shakes. This is super cool. Here is the little kitty cat mini machine. We have little gumball beads inside. Here is the star key. We left the middle clear so now you can see right through it, which I think is really cool. We have a little paw print. It's also clear and the green is translucent too. This one moves a little bit slower because the stars here are pretty thick, and we also have that black paw print that is kind of raised up. Here is the claw machine. This one is so nice. I love the colors. The blue, yellow, and pink go so well together. And here is the popsicle. And what's great about adding that layer of resin on top is that we completely seal it so there's no chance of the liquid leaking out. Here is the cat cup. Oh my goodness, this is one of my favorites. Don't you just love the colors? Here is the star. Also like the mix of yellow and pink. Just a little bit of orange right in the middle where they met. And finally, we have our bear. This one's super sparkly. I love it. Alright everyone, so this was a lot of fun to make. It also took a long time, but I think that's because I was trying to make 9 shakers at once. I really love the way they turned out. I think the colors are awesome, and I just really love the shininess of each of these pieces. So there are many things that we can do with this. We can drill a little hole in it and attach a little key ring to it so that we can hang it on a keychain, or we can just kind of keep it around. So let me know down below in the comment section, what would you do with a little shaker? And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!